Turn the page. It's time for a rhyme. Turn the page. There was. Turn the page. Turn the page. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh. Three little kittens, they lost their mittens and they turn the page. Turn the page. Hey, little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Turn the page. Turn the page.
Are you swimming?
Time for a rhyme.
What are you doing, Teddy? Are you trying to swim? He just started playing with stuff on his tummy. Before he hated laying on his tummy and would just holler, but he's now starting to play with stuff. He'll be good for a few minutes, though. You done? Teddy, are you done?